Hello everyone, this is Medical Research Tools and welcome to another brain segmentation tutorial. In this one, we are going to segment brain tumor. First, I use one of data samples and I go to segment editor, add a new segment and call it tumor. Segmenting the brain tumor is quite similar to segmentation of many other structures if you have watched the previous tutorials. First, you have to draw on the tumor and then add another segment and encircle the surroundings of the tumor. It's better to be repeated on different 2D views in order to make your work more precise, and the system will be able to segment a tumor completely without mistakes. Then, by using Grow from Seeds tool, don't forget to click on tumor and then press initialize. There's no need to change any settings. As you can see, the tumor has been segmented. In this step, you can edit the under segmentations or some protrusions by using the paint tool. You just need to click on these areas and check the whole slices. Then again, click on tumor, go to grow from seeds, and in this time press apply. The tumor is segmented. As you can see, it is completely neat and very close to the real structure. It just needs a little bit of editing. First, I use a smoothing tool, and by checking the edit in 3D view, I can smooth the structure manually on 3D view. And then for eliminating the extra voxels, use islands tool, just press apply. And this way we have segmented the brain tumor. And now another point that I want to mention is volume rendering. It is a useful tool for determining the location of a tumor or a lesion inside an organ, for example, in the whole brain. First, you visualize your imaging, then display ROI, and change the contrast of your image to visualize it better. There are points that by clicking on them and scrolling, you can go through all the slices of each view of the MRI and see how the tumor is located inside it. As you can see, the segment that we have just prepared is located within the brain, and you can easily see where it exactly locates anatomically. Also, in this part, the ROI section, you can go through the slices and simply watch how how the tumor sits inside the brain. Thanks for watching this video. Please ask your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.